Today, we're going to discuss how to convert an Excel file to XML in C#. How's it going, guys? Like I say, we're going to learn how to convert an Excel file into an XML file using C# and IronXL. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have IronXL installed. Open the NuGet Package Manager in your project, search for IronXL, and install it. After installation, add your IronXL key at the top of the program.cs file so that everything runs smoothly. So now let's walk through the code. We define two paths, one for the Excel file that we want to convert and one for the XML file that we want to generate. Next, we load the Excel file using workbook.load. IronXL reads the workbook instantly without requiring Microsoft Excel on the system, which is great. Then we call save as XML method, and IronXL creates the XML file for us. All right, so let's run the application. And once it executes, the Excel file is saved as an XML at the location that you specify. So here we go. On one side, you can see the input Excel file, rows, columns, and worksheet data. And on the other side, IronXL generated neatly structured XML output, preserving the same data in a machine-readable format. And that's it. That's all it takes, a clean and efficient way to convert Excel files to XML inside your .NET applications using IronXL. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want some more useful tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out.